How's it going, everyone? Shano. How are we all? Pretty good, I hope. I thought I would try and make some Chinese food or some Asian food for my daughter. I thought it's worth a try. Okay, so to start off, I'll cut this into fine pieces.
2 small pieces.
Smaller pieces, yeah.
Yeah.
Each bone you cut.
Yeah, you can cooking honey pork, honey chicken. It's all same way.
Yeah. It's good to try and cook something different.
Put them in a bowl. A little bit of black pepper. Some salt.
Alcohol.
Oh,
Chinese cooking alcohol. Alcohol.
how much do you think?
Little bit, just a little bit.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay. Massage the meat really well. Massage them.
Yeah.
Into the cooking wine and the everything goes through nice.
Yes.
Pretty nice so far.
Okay.
Okay, then you on the side, the 1 spoon corn flour. That's too much, Shan. Too much.
Okay.
One really, yeah.
No more.
1 spoon corn flour.
And 2 spoons of that.
Yeah. No more flour.
Plain flour. Don't get your face in it. 1 and 2.
Yeah, that's enough. 1.5 spoon. Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
The water?
Yes. 1 spoon cold boiled water. Okay, then mix up very well.
Okay. This way.
You really have to mix it for a while.
Yeah.
No, not really. Let me do that, Shan.
Oh, he's actually doing it pretty well.
Yeah, until no dry flour. You know what I mean? Until no dry flour show up. Then you put 1 egg. 1 egg in.
I'll quickly get.
1 egg in.
See how I go.
Just to one side. Don't mix up too much. Just one side. Okay, now we put oil. Put oil on. That's perfect.
Pretty well.
No dry flour at all. See? I think I need a little. When you do that, I think I need a little bit of water, more water.
A little bit more.
You think so?
Okay. Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay, the thing for the cold.
See, you know, when you do that, the flour can be dry like this. You know what I mean?
You want it to be runny.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants to.
Okay, so the pork mixed with flour goes straight into the oil.
Yeah. The oil have to be more than warm, less than hot.
Yeah, more than warm, less than hot.
Yeah.
And I'll take them out soon, don't I?
No, until the color changing to brown.
Oh, until it changes to brown. and
Yeah,
then
make
I,
sure it's all cooked.
Then I take it back out after.
Yeah. I think you can put more piece in.
Now that's just frying up.
When you do that, you have to like little bit, yeah, just like they,
So they don't stick.
yeah, they don't stick to each other.
How long roughly do you think?
I think 2 or 3 minutes. See, when it's fry the meat, we don't use the very high temperature. We just use the middle one, that is a small stove, to make sure the meat is cooked and not overcooked. You know what I mean? Just right. Yeah, now it's like the color is turning brown, so you take them out.
Put it in for the second time now to fry again.
To make the taste more like
Crispy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
gotta make it
gabong.
crispy. That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
And they won't stick together now.
No. The meat in the still frying, so we just use the small spoon. Little bit of corn flour. Little bit. Little bit of water. Mix up. Now we're ready to make the sauce. First, main sauce, tomato sauce. Little bit of salt, sugar, vinegar, white vinegar, and corn flour with the water. Today we make the pork, but you can make with the chicken. Little bit of oil, then tomato sauce.
Oh, you put it in straight into there.
Yeah. More, oh, more, yeah. Okay. 1 spoon salt. No, 3. 3 spoon sugar. 3 spoon white vinegar. Okay, that's enough. Then mix up.
Oh, I can smell it already.
Yeah.
The vinegar with the tomato sauce is very satisfying.
Yeah.
The oil going through all the tomato.
Yeah. Now put the
This.
water, yeah, water with the corn flour. Mix up, keep going until they mix up very well. And put the meat in, mix up. No, all together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mix up very well.
I've never seen it like that before. Now that you said that it,
It's pretty simple, right?
with the tomato sauce,
You think it was honey, actually it's no honey, it's
not
just
honey.
sugar.
It's the vinegar
And the
making it
smell,
taste like honey.
yeah, the smell very nice, right?
And the sugar, yeah. Oh, they're cheeking me in the restaurant.
Mix up very well.
I'll never call it honey chicken ever again. You know what I'll call it?
Put them in the bin, get it, then put.
Tomato sauce and chicken. That's what I'm going to say.
Can I please get the tomato sauce and chicken?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say next time I go to the
Ew.
honey chicken.
Oh,
Really?
that smells amazing.
Okay, 看 off.
And that can go with rice, you know?
Yeah.
I can't believe I made it like that. What do you reckon?
Smells pretty good.
Mmm. Aussie.
Very successful honey pork.
Yeah, honey pork for the first time.
Yeah, you can cook it with the chicken too.
Good. Me. Let's try a piece, eh? I'll try a little piece.
Me too. This one on top I usually like to grab.
Mmm. Oh.
A little bit of sour.
So,
No, the taste is really good.
Yeah.
oh, very good.
I already tried. It's really.
Mmm.
Oh, it's the taste that's making me go, ooh. I get like that, eh?
It's too sour or it's nice?
It's very nice. My mouth went full water.
watery.
Yeah, it did.
Yummy, daddy, right?
Yum.
I tried one. It's very yummy.
Look at what I actually making this.
What does everyone think of the honey pork?
Mm.
Give us a like, thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll keep going and try and make a few more.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. just 2 minutes. The best chef already ate the most of the food he cooking.
Pretty tasty.
That's good.
You know, I didn't think something so simple would taste this good.
I usually always say
She just in a hurry to eat.
Hurry to eat,
Yeah.